Hello Westmont community. This is Westmont IT with a quick tutorial on how to change your password. I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this, but know that the procedure is going to be similar, if not identical, on other browsers. So we're going to start by opening up a browser, and we're going to go to my.westmont.edu and hit enter. Now, if you do that, if you do my.westmont.edu and instead of seeing this screen, you're taken to your email inbox, that means that you've got an email session open. That's not a problem, but it just means that you're going to have an additional step. And that step is to go to the top right-hand corner, right below the X on a Windows machine. It's these three vertical dots, and you're going to click on that and select the third option to open a new incognito window. On Firefox and Safari, this I believe is called a private window. And so we're going to go ahead and do that. And now we've got a separate instance of Google Chrome open here, except we're not signed in this one. So when we do my.westmont.edu, and if you do that on the incognito window, you should end up on this page here. All right, so we're not going to sign in, but we are going to click this last button here to change your password. So go ahead and do that, and you're taken to a form here. Now don't get confused here. There are actually two forms you can pick from, and it defaults to create password. And that would be if you're a first-time user or you're just setting up your email account, but it's likely that you've already done so, and we're just trying to change it. So we're going to click on change password here, this one. When it's red, you know that you've selected it. And we're going to put in the username. For me, that's dwork. And put in your current password. And we're going to create a new password. This has to be at least 8 characters in length. It has to have a capital letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special symbol. Okay, and actually it only needs 3 of the 4 of those. So those 4 that I just listed, you have to pick 3 of those. You don't have to use all 4. I'm going to create one here. Okay, I think I'm ready. So I'm going to press, now that I've typed in both of these, the new password and then the new password again to verify it. I'm going to select this option here, change password. And I'm going to click and I'm going to wait for just a second. All right, now that I've got this green box that says that my password has been updated, I'm good to go. That means that it was a successful password change. So we're going to go back to sign in, and this is when you could sign into your email. I'll do that for you here. The first time that you sign in after changing your password, it can take some time to sign in. So you notice I've pressed the login button and we're still waiting. That's normal. And so if I pressed login multiple times here, I would actually get an error. So the first time after you change your password, just try to be patient and let it load. And here we go. We've made it into the email account. So that's it. That's the quick tutorial on how to reset your password. If you don't know your current password and you're unable to sign in, send an email to support@westmont.edu and we'll be able to help you there. If you have any other questions about password changes or how to how to reset the password or how to create a password for the first time, again, just send an email to support@westmont.edu. Thank you very much.